Are you curious about this pineapple lemonade recipe from 1896? This vintage config recipe will change your summer plans. So come and join me in my kitchen as we learn how to make this treat. So we're gonna start the first step of our pineapple lemonade from 1896. This is a great addition to our picnic series, all of our picnic foods and drinks. So all we have here is 2 cups or a pint of water, and then a cup of sugar. And we're going to be boiling this on the stove into a simple syrup for about 10 minutes. So while that is boiling, I will just be enjoying some time here. But I'm gonna let you go until after this is boiled and we get on to the rest of the ingredients. So the syrup is about done boiling. So I'm gonna let that cool and we're gonna add the other ingredients before we get our lemonade done. All right, we're gonna continue with our recipe here. So we have our sugar syrup that we just made on the stove, and then we have about a half cup of lemon juice or the juice of 3 lemons. And then this is the fun secret ingredient. We have some crushed pineapple. In the recipe from 1896, it said grated pineapple, 1 can, but it's not really called grated anymore. So I think crushed is a good approximation of that. I love how the names have changed over time. It's really fun. So what we're gonna do is mix this together. This is the base of our lemonade, but we're gonna let this cool down first, and then we'll be back to finish up our lemonade and put it in our pretty pitcher here. So I will see you then. So we're on the last step of our 1896 lemonade, our pineapple lemonade. So I cooled this down, and I also put it in the fridge to sort of marinate a little bit and cool down. And then here I have a quart or 4 cups of ice water. So we're just gonna strain this mixture into here and get all that pineapple goodness in there. Doesn't that look delicious? I might press down on the pineapple a little bit more just to get all that yummy stuff going. And I'm gonna be back in just a moment, to get something to stir with. Hang on. Okay, so I'm pressing down a little bit on this pineapple to get all the juice out of it, because we want to make sure and get lots of that pineapple flavor into our lemonade. And then I have a little bit more liquid to pour in here. This is a little bit messy, but I brought my towel over to clean up the mess. So let's get as much as we can of that in there. This is gonna be yummy, I'm pretty sure. Let me know if you've made any flavored lemonades like this, or if you like lemonade for a picnic or a summer day. It is delightful. My husband also really likes lemonade mixed with iced tea, which is also so good. Okay, so we're gonna clean up the mess a little bit. We will see how lovely this looks. We're gonna get this in the fridge a little bit, and then we'll do our family tasting of this pineapple lemonade. Yum. All right, we got the family here to try the pineapple lemonade from 1896.
So it's lemons and pineapple?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a lemonade base with some strained in pineapple. Mmm. You can taste the pineapple.
That's great. I like it a lot.
Yay!
That
A
improved.
drink you like. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
I was hoping.
This might be the first one, actually.
I think so.
Yeah, I think it's nice. It kind of takes the acidic edge off both or something.
Yeah, like you can taste the lemon still, but there's the sweetness from the pineapple, but it's not too acidic.
It's very nice. Good
Yeah.
stuff.
Such a winner. definitely try it. So we are going to talk a little bit about the book where the picnic recipe for the pineapple lemonade, where this came from. It is a reprint of the Fannie Farmer Cookbook from 1896. It is such a treasure. And before we take a look at the recipe, I wanted to show you that they have all these old ads in here. So this one has cocos and chocolates from Walter Baker and Company. There's some companies that are still around and some that are not. There's a spice company here. Just really cute old ads that are fun to look at. And then here we have our fruit drink section where we found our pineapple lemonade. There's also a mint julep that has claret wine. That's a type of wine you don't see much anymore, which is interesting. Lots of fruit punches, ginger punch, some that have alcohol and some do not. So this is a really fun section of the book. It also has unfermented grape juice. This is something my mom would make with her Concord grapes that she still does, and it's so yummy. It's really the best grape juice. So I look forward to exploring more recipes with all of you. If you have not subscribed yet, please do leave a like on the video, leave a comment and say hi if we haven't met yet. And this is Trista saying goodbye. See you later.